Yeah. Go on then. Let's go and catch up with the others.
Mummy.
She's staying this way.
I want to go.
So we're here in Legoland Windsor. Me, Naomi, Jackson, Anna. We're just going to go down and walk this way. Kaya.
Look, look.
Are you looking at his bum?
There's London. There's the London Circle. I've gone round today so slowly.
There's London Eye and St Paul's.
Big Ben. London
Oh, well done.
Okay, if we get lost, we can come back to London Eye.
And we've got some people.
Come on, we should hurry to the right.
And there's like more persons, the trucks, some houses again. What's in their own party inside there? And I think I'm touching this. Where's that? Oh, the werewolf's gone. Werewolf's gone.
Yeah, there's a bit of Fire Academy there with balloon school. Yeah, so we're just walking around. We're gonna go on Flight Skyline later, the greatest ride in the UK, in my opinion. Jackson's done some footage for you, so we're gonna just walk over, and hopefully Coast Guard HQ, according to the app, was 5 minutes. So let's see if we can get on there. Perfect. Now straighten. Perfect, Jackson. Well done. Look at
There,
this.
the time I'm gonna crash. Look, gonna crash and forward.
Oh,
I thought we're gonna crash.
there you go. Love a bit of elephant squirting action. Oh, there's the polar bear eating his ice cream.
Ah, crash. Crash.
I think everyone's waiting for us to get back.
Then
Nice, slow, gentle ride.
it's behind us.
They're still behind us. We're going to crash again, Jackson. Just met the dragon, haven't you? 10 years at a hotel. Awesome. Here we go into the world of Mythica. Jackson's hungry. We're going to go on Flight Skyline now. Here we go. We'll give you a quick review afterwards. You like Flight Skyline, don't you, Jackson? He's just hungry. There's Fire in the House, little drop towers.
He talks. I see him talk. Oh, that's a new rock, isn't it? Okay.
So what did you think of Flight of Skyline then? He talks? Yeah, the actual rides. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, but the Lego one, is real.
It's real.
Talk.
He talks. Yeah, so I went on Flight Skyline to like a fine theatre, and it takes you through like a story of Maximus. Picks you up and carries you through a mythical world of mythical creatures. It's a fantastic ride. You get the wind blowing in your face, it smells and everything, don't we?
And there's water coming into your face.
And they get water. Sometimes you do get water. We didn't this time. Yeah, so yeah, really nice. Yeah, so Jackson can go on more or less every ride here, apart from Mia's challenge, which is like a Zamperla disco sort of thing. Yeah, so we're going to walk around, and we're going to go on the dragon. Probably get Dragon Apprentice in as well if it's open. I've got spinning spiders here. Honestly, it's a good little fun ride. Great big spider. And there's the Jolly Rocker, which I don't think we'll be doing today, do you, Jackson? Do you want to go on Jolly Rocker? This one here. Why don't you want to go on it, Jackson? It goes too high. I like it. And hopefully we'll get on Pirate Falls. I'm not a big fan of pirate ships, but I'll give this one a go. It's not that scary. Was that good fun, Jackson? Lost my woolly hat. So what do you think of the dragon then? Good, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smelled better this time. Yeah, it smelled more like coconut rather than curry this time. Which was nice little ride there. We're going to see whether we can get on the Dragon's Apprentice. Dragon's Apprentice. Whipping the dragon, isn't it? So
Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's
more
more compact. Oh no, it's this bit. Oh,
Here we go.
oh no, oh no.
Imagine on the back right. Okay then, right. I'll give you a quick heads up. Right, the Dragon, bigger coaster, great indoor section, fantastic indoor section, good coaster. Dragon's Apprentice, little coaster, no indoor section, quite whippy. Which one? I prefer Dragon's Apprentice. But the Dragon's still a great ride, but Dragon's Apprentice, oh, it's my favourite. Which one do you prefer? Dragon's Apprentice or the Dragon? The Dragon! He prefers the Dragon. Awesome ride. See it? It's going along.
Gonna bang in a minute.
Smile for the camera. Ready? It's gone into the TNT. Ready, steady. Oh, we got proper wet. That was awesome. Oh, the buttons aren't working today. Oh, we got soaked. Did you enjoy that? No. Should we do it again?
No!
There you go, it's the land of Ninjago. It's got a rock and tug and a little dark ride where you go and try and shoot stars off. No, we're not going home yet. We're going to go and find something else to do. Go wave at the train.
Sunken treasure, real sea creatures, and to
So,
discover
deep
the
sea
lost
Lego,
city of
Lego
Atlantis.
City,
We're always in need
we're
of
about
new
to go on.
recruits to
Looking forward to this. It's like a submarine. Lots of treasure.
underwater adventure.
Wow. Lots there, isn't there?
Loud and clear. Go ahead.
So just back on Lego submarine. Lego City Deep Sea Adventure. This should be fun. On we go.
So this big wave race. So check out all of the colorful balls. The last one was missing. One back.
Yeah, so we just went to Duplo Valley where we've got the Farmer Joe's chicken shop. And they have a little Duplo Valley Theatre going on, which is like little club cupboards and that. And this is where you find Duplo Dino and the little train, which is good fun. I'll give that a go in a minute. So they also have the Duplo Theatre with little times.
This is my lovely house of sticks, and it took no time at all to build, and now I'm off to play on my rollerblades.
Well, that's what you think. Quick, get inside. Batten down the hatches. Lock all the doors. The wolf is on his way.
Choo choo. Casey Junior's on the tracks. Also, down here in Duplo Valley, they have one of the greatest water rides in the country. Fairy Brooktail. What a lovely ride that is. Hopefully, we'll be getting on there later. Jackson's just going to go and play in Duplo Playtown. You also got helicopters and this little beast over here, Duplo Dino Coaster. It's a good little ride. Whoa. And remember, during the summer you can bring your family down in swimsuits and they can go and play in the splash park. So Jackson's just going to have some fun in here. So we're going to have a quick food review. Jackson's actually having a vegan Magnum. Is it nice, Jackson? Yeah? What does it taste like? Chocolate. What about the ice cream? What's that taste like?
Okay.
Tastes alright, does it? Yeah?
Thumbs up for that.
Get a thumbs up for that one. There you go. Well done. Jackson's just my quit chugging on a lot. Close Valley Airport on a little helicopter, so you have little handles to pull up and down and turn around, up and down. So this one goes up and goes down. This one turns you left, this one turns you right. You can do both at the same time. Go down and round. Down and round. There's Hannah, there she is, looking cool. Jackson's a bit ready for the big splash.
I wanted to get
Whoa! Splash! Smile for the camera. Hi. Picture of the Legoland Sky Ride and Jackson looking happy. Is this a coaster or not a coaster? Right. You can see the railway track, look there, the Lego train. Yeah, little railway track down there, Lego train.
That's where they fix the track.
Yeah, it's where to fix the track for Mini Land. Little Mini Land there for you. Looking nice. A little centrifuge. Yeah, give us a thumbs up. Yay! Thank you. Let's give him a big hug. Oh, thank you. Have a lovely day. Quick look at what we've done at Legoland here today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe below.
And like, if you want to watch the video, like and subscribe. Thumbs up. Bye.